This video features Android Auto for the Nissan Maxima years 2016 to 2020 as shown on the Nissan Murano. The Nissan Maxima and the Nissan Murano have identical screens and identical installation processes.
Now let's test Android Auto. Set the radio to auxiliary to hear the audio. Press the power button. Select CarPlay Android Auto. Hit enter and you're going to enter Android Auto. So Android lives inside your Android phone only, nowhere else. Android Auto is like Android Auto in any car. You add applications automatically here. You call, it calls through factory Bluetooth. Whatever you have at home, weather apps, it's all going to appear here.
In addition to Android Auto, this interface also includes Apple CarPlay, HDMI smartphone mirroring, and a multiple camera interface.
And what you want to do is you want to plug in your phone. Once you plug in the phone, the CarPlay is going to get recognized. So the icon will reappear whether it's CarPlay or Android Auto. And you can go ahead and basically enter the CarPlay mode. And that's it. You have the CarPlay. It says CarPlay. Let's demo HDMI mirroring. Once you press the power button, you select HDMI. So with your arrows on the remote, go into HDMI and the video will appear. Let's say you want to drive and watch the camera. So all you do, you press the power button on the remote. The interface will activate and you have cameras here. So depends on where you go, you can watch the camera while driving, except for the rear camera. Have factory rear view camera, you cannot watch it while driving. But if you install front camera while driving. If you want to watch right camera while driving. If you want to watch rear camera while driving. So as long as you're driving, you're going to have the rear camera. So this is the cameras.
Thank you for watching. Please click the link on the left to subscribe to the channel, or click the link on the right to watch the full video.